Now real quick before we do the follow-up review video with the Porter cable tile saw, let's pull out the pressure washer and clean up a few saws, and then we'll get right to the Porter cable. Here we go. We'll pull the DeWalt out, spray and clean that. There's the Porter cable. We'll pull that out, clean that as well. And we'll give this Diamondback 7-inch a little wash today as well. Here we go.
Don't stop now. Looking for a distant star.
Okay, tile saws are all clean. Put these away. Let's get this Porter cable set up, plugged in, and talk about how well it performed in the last 12 months. We put a lot of use in this Porter cable tabletop tile saw. Here we go. Now again, this is a 12-month update video on the Porter cable tabletop tile saw. We have remodeled numerous bath and showers, backsplashes, flooring, shower walls. We have cut ceramic, stone. The majority of the material that we cut with this has been hard porcelain. It's kept up very well. In my personal opinion, this is right now the best tabletop tile saw on the market. Multiple reasons. One, the build quality is fantastic. They used good materials to build this. Good motor underneath here. Everything's holding up well. Good feet. It's very solid. It's very sturdy. Two, obviously this tray here, which makes this saw stand out from the rest. You can cut any types of tile up to 12-inch by 24-inch. We've cut 24 by 24-inch. You can rip porcelain planks on this. I mean, this thing can really do it all. Equipped with a good blade, obviously. The blade that comes with the Porter cable is not so good. It burns out very fast. So we equipped this saw with a Pearl P4. And again, yes, a large reservoir for a tabletop saw, so you don't have to constantly refill the water. It's ergonomic to carry around with this nice sturdy handle here. And with a few adjustments, it cuts perfectly square and does not chip. So a couple easy ways to adjust this. Loosen these bolts, adjust the left rail so that it's square. Also, you can raise this. If this sits lower than your sliding tray, simply remove these bolts. Remove the plastic and the bolts under here. Add some shims or washers to raise this up if necessary. One last adjustment you can make in order to square out the table is to loosen this bolt here and adjust the back of the fence. As you can see, this can move back and forth. Simply adjust it so that your reveal here is the same from the top of the tile to the back of the tile. We will start with large format ceramic. There's the ceramic. We cut some glass. No chipping, cuts glass clean. Hit the back of it with a rubbing stone, diamond pad, or polishing pad. Sheeted mosaic. Not a bad cut at all. And again, no chipping. Quickly cross-cut this porcelain plank. Plain porcelain plank cut. Let's cut some thick quartz. Very powerful motor to cut this thick material. Well, there you go, guys. A 12-month, 1-year update video on the Porter Cable tabletop tile saw. We have used and abused this saw for 12 months, installing backsplash, flooring, remodeled numerous showers with this saw, cut hard material such as porcelain. It has held up. It's built very well. I have a great feeling this saw is going to last a very, very long time. Again, I think, in my personal opinion, this is one of the best tabletop tile saws on the market right now. Exceptional build, amazing sliding table. Keep in mind, when you pull it right out of the box, it may need some adjustments. Well, that's it. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe for future tile saw review videos. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.